Welcome back to my channel. I know it's January, it's cold outside, but we're going to do some jerk chicken today. I will be using some Grace jerk marinade, some brown sugar, some orange, little tangerine like citrusy. I had some allspice I want to add in there, some thyme, and also some Szechuan peppercorn. Let's get started. About maybe a little more than half of the jar of the jerk marinade, because I want to save some for the sauce. Okay. About a teaspoon, a little less of the allspice. That's right. Now I have 3 segments here of the little tangerine, orange, citrus fruit. I'm going to use all 3 of them, because I don't have any pineapple or mango or anything like that. Now with the brown sugar, let's go with a good tablespoonful of brown sugar. I may use 2 tablespoons. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, guys. Now, Szechuan peppercorn. I want to go with a teaspoon of the Szechuan peppercorn. I have fallen in love with Szechuan peppercorn. As a matter of fact, I just ordered some the other day. So let's go with a teaspoon of this. Don't go crazy with it there. That's good enough right there. That's a teaspoon. A tablespoon of garlic. These the garlic that I make and put them in the freezer. Each one is a tablespoon. Go check out my page for that. Piece of ginger. As long as you washed off your ginger, it's good to put it in here with the skin on it. I'm putting some thyme in there. All right, let's blend it up. All right, let's taste it. A little taste test. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm adding a little bit more brown sugar, but this is great. A little bit more brown sugar. Let's blend it up. Now you want to make sure your wings are dry all the way. I cleaned them in water with vinegar. You want to make sure you clean your meats, okay? Go back over them. Like I see something right now that I didn't see earlier. That's why you take time to go over your food. A couple of hairs. Well, we don't do no hairy chicken around here. No way, Peaks. No hairy chicken. Now, I feel for you when you was at that restaurant. I'm going back through this over again. I always do. Now, you want to marinate the wings 2 hours to overnight. So, I'm going to go with the 2 hours. And I'm going to put them on the grill. You can do this in the oven as well. Now, will I fix them all on the grill? It's very cold outside, so I don't know. We'll see. I doubled the bag. Get some of that air out of it. Okay. Okay. All right. Now let's sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay? Now to be on the safe side, I'm going to place them inside of a bowl. And I'll come and rotate them like every half an hour. Make sure they're all getting the proper love. Alright guys, jerk chicken wings today with me, Bonnie B of the DMV. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. I'm adding the chicken on. This is the jerk chicken. I may not cook them all today, but we'll see. It's doing okay. And this is the jerk chicken. And let me close it. I'm sitting out here with the food because, you know, you just never know. I thought I'd come out here and cook on the grill because when we get that snow Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be a minute before I be grilling. I decided to put some heat under one of the burners underneath the peppers, the jalapeno peppers. When it gets too cold out here, I'll finish them off in the oven. So far, okay. So far, okay. I had the meat marinating for 2 hours. Jerk chicken. January. That's right. January 21st. You know that's right. Look at Miss Bonnie out here grilling on the grill. Yes, I am. You want to come over? We cooking now. Jerk chicken wings on the grill. January 21st. I'm going to finish them off in the oven. Oh, yeah. You know, I got trapeze. Oh my God, yes. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on them with some of that jerk marinade and put it in the oven. Delicious, guy. Oh, I had to get another piece of jerk flat. I love the flat. Mm-hmm. 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 On point. Mm-hmm. Mm. Jerk chicken. Mm-hmm. I couldn't wait, y'all. I'm sorry. Mm. Mm-hmm. Down to the bone. To the bone good. Oh. Oh. Sweet Baby Ray and the rest of the jerk marinade. Mix it together. Mix it together. And then brush it over top of the chicken. And then I'm going to place it in the oven for maybe like 7 minutes. The oven is heated on 375. Okay, into the oven. Wonderful. Look at the jerk wings, guys. Let's be happy with the jerk wings. That's right. Jerk chicken wings. Look at that. Look at that. Jerk chicken wings. That's right. With me, Bonnie B of the DMV. Oh my goodness. Let me serve up. Ooh. I love the flats. Let me see if I can find a flat. No, the flats must be in the bottom. They're so good. Now, I haven't had one with the sauce on it. So, let me just get what I can get. This flat. Let me try drum it first with the sauce. Now mix the two together. Your barbecue sauce that you like and some of the Grace marinade. Jerk. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Outstanding. 10 out of 10, my friend. 10 out of 10. Oh my God. I have extra barbecue sauce if I want to put some more on it. See, we're going to get that snow. So I had to grill something. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Come back and see me again, okay? This is so good. Jerk chicken wings. With me, Bonnie B of the DMV. That's right. Enjoy, everyone. Enjoy. Come on over. Come on over. Come right on over. I'll fix your plate. This will make her sound. This is so good. Help me.